Hello friends, this is Technicya with another quick tutorial. Your Windows license will expire soon. This keeps popping up if you bought a new device that comes pre-installed with Windows 10 and now you are getting the license error. It means that your key might be rejected because the license key is embedded in BIOS. First of all, we will check the activation status of the Windows. Right click on this PC and click on Properties. Here you can see the Windows is activated. To get rid of this error message, press Windows plus R key, type services.msc. Now here search for Windows Licensing Manager. Double click to open it and disable it. Search for Windows Update and again double click to open and disable it. Now restart your machine and I am sure that this message will not pop up again. If you like this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Technicya. I will catch you in my next video. Bye bye.